What's going on, everybody? Old school Rockford Fosgate here. It is cold out. I've got my heater on over here this way, and we're going to open this box up. Nicely packed. Thank you, Jay. Appreciate that. This is just the box. There's no link in it, no nothing. So we'll do a quick overview here. FG-LINK 43 of 96. So this is just the basic link, which I think this is the gray. Fosgate gray, I think is what this is. Got a picture of the back here. End. And on the back, the power would be gray. Okay, sorry. For some reason, I thought this was like the black and grind style link. This is the DSM link box. So you've got the power link and then the punch link. And if you guys want to pause this and zoom in, you can. So there's information up here. The dimensions over here. I will bring this up. Hopefully you guys can read this information if you'd like. So there's that. Now we'll take a look here. I don't think there's anything in it. There is not. Just packing material. So sometimes, you know, there may be like the Fosgate packing paper or something in it. So this box, I paid $30 shipped. It was from a gentleman that I had purchased items from before, and he got a hold of me because somebody had asked for references on this gentleman, and I commented and said, you know, he's a great guy to deal with, which he is. So yeah, so he reached out and asked me if I'd be interested in the box. So I paid $30 shipped for the box. He was just asking that I cover the actual shipping cost, but I threw him a little extra because that's how I roll. I take care of those that take care of me. So pretty nice. I'm gonna go grab my my links. I'll probably put a couple links in the box just to end up having them stored. And yeah, so Jay, thank you very much. It arrived safely. I appreciate it, and have a good one, guys.